Are you looking for a new and exciting way to make money? Look no further than ChatGPT. With this cutting-edge technology, you can tap into a wide range of lucrative opportunities that are just waiting for you. ChatGPT is a sophisticated language model that may assist you in a wide variety of endeavors that can help you create content, develop chatbots, provide translation services, and much more. There is no limit to the opportunities. Whether you are searching for part-time employment or a full-time profession, ChatGPT can help you reach your financial objectives in ways that you never believed were possible. In this video, we will look at some new ways to make money with ChatGPT. Stay tuned. The first up on the list is creating product descriptions for companies and entrepreneurs. You can now say goodbye to generic product descriptions and welcome descriptions that communicate directly to your clients in a language that they can understand because of ChatGPT. Through the use of natural language processing, ChatGPT is able to comprehend the context and tone of your brand, and it can write product descriptions that are consistent with your tone. Firstly, it's important to understand that your product descriptions need to be written with your target audience in mind. Think about who your ideal customer is and what they would be interested in. Are they looking for something affordable, high-end, trendy, or classic? What features of your product would appeal to them? Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, it's time to get creative with your product descriptions. Instead of just listing the features and benefits of your product, try to tell a story. For example, if you're selling a pair of sunglasses, you could describe how they make you feel like a celebrity on a sunny day, or how they're the perfect accessory for a beach vacation. The use of ChatGPT can not only help you save time and work, but also contribute to an increase in the number of sales you make. If you provide clients with descriptions that are easy to understand and interesting to read, they are more likely to make a buy. In fact, a recent study found that 87% of shoppers stated that product content was extremely important when making a purchasing decision. Another lucrative business idea is the development of chatbots. Have you ever had a question or concern that you needed help with, but you didn't want to wait on hold or talk to a robot? That's where chatbots come in. Chatbots are AI-powered tools that can communicate with users in a conversational manner, providing fast and efficient customer service. You might be wondering right about now, I don't know how to code, so how can I create a chatbot? This is where ChatGPT can be of use. With ChatGPT, you can create an AI-powered chatbot that can communicate with customers and help solve their problems. First, you'll need to determine what tasks you want your chatbot to perform. Do you want it to answer frequently asked questions, help customers make purchases, or provide support for technical issues? Once you have a clear idea of what you want your chatbot to do, you can start building it with ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, you can make a chatbot with a character that interacts with users in a human way. The chatbot can be programmed to comprehend client inquiries and answer properly, offering individualized guidance. The fact that it is so simple and fast to use ChatGPT to program your chatbot is the finest feature of this platform. You don't need to know how to code or have any other kind of technical knowledge. ChatGPT takes care of all of the laborious tasks, allowing you to concentrate on designing a chatbot that satisfies the requirements of your clientele. Additionally, using ChatGPT for your chatbot means you'll have access to powerful natural language processing capabilities. This means that your chatbot will be able to understand and respond to customers in a way that feels like they're talking to a real person. Another new way to earn money using ChatGPT is to create resumes and cover letters. ChatGPT can be a great tool for offering professional resume and cover letter writing services. Because of the sophisticated language creation skills it possesses, it is able to produce resumes and cover letters that are captivating and original, therefore attracting the attention of prospective employers. For a job seeker, you can provide ChatGPT with all the necessary information about your skills, qualifications, and experience, and it will generate a professionally written resume and cover letter tailored to your needs. This will help your customers stand out from the other applicants and increase their chances of getting the job they want. Not only does ChatGPT save you time and effort, but it also ensures that the resume and cover letter are free from grammatical errors and typos. You can be confident that your documents will be well written, professional, and accurately reflect your skills and experience. So if you're struggling with crafting the perfect resume and cover letter, let ChatGPT help you. It's a fast and cost-effective way to get a high-quality resume and cover letter that will help your customers stand out from the crowd and land their dream job. Gone are the days when finding a domain name was a tedious and time-consuming process. Within a matter of minutes, you will be able to develop a list of memorable and original domain names using ChatGPT. The only thing you need to do is to give ChatGPT a few keywords that are associated with your company or brand, and it will take care of the rest. Creating domain names is another excellent way to leverage the power of ChatGPT. What makes ChatGPT's domain name generator unique is its ability to use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to come up with creative and catchy domain names. It can take into account the latest trends, popular phrases, and even the tone and personality of your brand to create a name that truly resonates with your target audience. Whether you're seeking a domain name for your e-commerce company, blog, or IT startup, ChatGPT can give you a selection of accessible and useful alternatives. ChatGPT is able to produce names that are not only original, but also memorable, brandable, and easy to come up with, since it has access to a large lexicon and is able to comprehend context. If you are a reseller of domain names, you can utilize ChatGPT to compile a list of distinctive and desirable domain names that are guaranteed to pique the interest of potential customers. The necessity for quality domain names has never been in more demand than it is now because of the proliferation of online companies and the need of maintaining a prominent presence on the internet. If you use the domain name generator that is provided on ChatGPT, you will be able to provide your customers with a variety of possibilities that are not only accessible, but also optimal for search engine optimization and social media. Finally, anyone wishing to launch a new venture or increase their existing domain name portfolio might benefit from using ChatGPT's domain name generator. With its ability to create unique and creative names within minutes, it can save you time and effort while providing you with options that truly capture the essence of your brand. So what are you waiting for? Give ChatGPT a try and see for yourself how easy and effective it is to create the perfect domain name. The last up on the list, we have social media management. With ChatGPT, you can develop a social media management service that can automate the process of posting on social media platforms. You can create engaging and creative content that will capture the attention of your audience and improve your brand's online presence. ChatGPT can help you save time and resources by taking over the task of managing your social media accounts. ChatGPT can also help you generate ideas for content that aligns with your brand's message and tone. You can use this tool to create posts that are optimized for different social media platforms, such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. By using ChatGPT to manage your social media accounts, you can also save money by avoiding the need to hire additional staff to manage your social media presence. This means you can focus on other important aspects of your business while ChatGPT handles your social media marketing. ChatGPT can help you to analyze your social media performance, giving you insights into which posts are resonating with your audience and which ones are not. With this data, you can optimize your social media strategy and create more engaging content in the future. To sum up, the emergence of ChatGPT technology has created a new and exciting opportunity for people to make money in innovative ways. The possibilities are endless, from content creation and translation services to developing AI-powered chatbots and providing social media management services. There is a massive opportunity for new companies and existing ones to improve their operational effectiveness and output by utilizing this technology. So don't miss out on this new way to make money. Embrace the power of ChatGPT and watch your financial dreams come to life. Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.